Welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm here at the Downtown Kingston Coronation Market, where today we're going to find out what a budget of $2,500 can get us in the market. Let's go shopping. Hi Richard, can you tell me what are some of the factors impacting the prices of produce in the market this week?
Dumping of food. Farmer them dump a lot of food in the market, so prices them go down. Mostly green vegetable like kale and broccoli and them something. And them a carry like a price. And when you see gungo cheap and sorrel cheap, farmer them really do them homework, so them a make sure say food there for Christmas and it a go cheap. Maybe by March I go short at enough things. But for Christmas, I don't think we go short at enough.
So that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.